Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. I'm about to show you an all-time classic on guitar, and the cool thing about it is that you have some really easy chords which are so much fun to plug on guitar, and it's fairly easy. So let's start with Ain't No Sunshine. We start with our index finger in the 5th fret of the E string, lowest one, 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the middle and the ring finger also in the 5th fret on the D and G string, the both strings in the middle. And the pattern here is thumb on the low E string, and then index and middle finger plug the D and G string, the both the ones in the middle. So you do that twice. So from the top, and then open strings. So you remove your grabbing hand and you plug the same strings. So it's, and then you go to G7, beautiful chord, 3rd fret index finger on the low E string, 3rd fret D string with the middle finger, and 4th fret on the G string with the ring finger. So it's, and in the end we play 4 times again the first chord, the A minor 7 chord. So it's A minor 7 twice, 1 time E minor 7, open strings, 1 time G7, and 4 times A minor 7 again. And from the top again, so 2 times A minor 7, E minor 7, G. I'll sing along so you get the progression. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's. So you play the whole progression twice, and then we get to the next part. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes up. So we go to E minor 7 in the different position, not the open strings here, but 7th fret A string. It's the 2nd string from your point of view. 7th fret G string and 8th fret B string. And you plug 4 times the pattern A string and then G and B. Then 2 frets lower to D minor 7. No sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes from the top. Ain't no sunshine from the A minor 7, minor 7, G7, A minor 7, A 1 when she's A minor 7 to the E minor 7 to the G7 to the A minor 7. Ain't no sunshine to the other part, E minor 7, and she's always gone to D minor 7 anytime she goes A minor 7, E minor 7, G7. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Same progression over this. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, Potters. And then ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. This is the whole thing. The important thing is that you focus on the pattern here and that you only touch the strings that you're supposed to do. This is kind of tricky when you switch over to those chords here because you have to change the strings that you plug. So, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy playing this beautiful song. And if you need any more advice, take a look at my channel. A lot of helpful videos, I think. And if you want to check out my free lessons, which you find in the video description, this is a really good crash course for you to start out on guitar, totally free, as I said. And see you in the next video. My name is Hannes. See you.